Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on August 6, 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. All share price index edged higher, gaining 86.60 points to close at 19,804.80, marking a 0.44% increase. However, the S&P SL20 index, which tracks the performance of the top 20 companies, saw a marginal dip. It lost 2.44 points, settling at 5,827.85, down by 0.04%. The total market capitalization stood at 6,923.07 billion rupees at the end of the trading day. Total market turnover was recorded at 4.45 billion rupees, reflecting a moderate level of trading activity. Crossings amounted to 1.04 billion rupees, with the highest crossings reported in EB, Creasy and Company and the Colombo Fort Land and Building. Domestic investors continued to dominate market activity, accounting for 4,339.92 million rupees in total purchases, which represented approximately 98% of overall buying. In contrast, foreign purchases amounted to 110.90 million rupees, contributing the remaining 2%. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded 4,349.07 million rupees, also making up about 98% of total sales. Foreign sales were relatively low at 101.75 million rupees, representing just 2% of the day's selling activity. Now let's look at the top gainers of the day. Leading the list is Colombo Investment Trust, which saw a notable increase in investor interest. Alpha Fire Services also posted strong gains, reflecting positive market sentiment. Dialogue Finance continued its upward momentum, followed by Colombo Fort Investments, which attracted healthy buying. Rounding off the list is TES Agro, non-voting, which showed a sharp price uptick during the session. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. Lee Hedges led the list with a notable decline in share price. Lanka Ceramic also saw downward movement, reflecting selling pressure. Dow Libel Finance experienced a dip amidst lower trading volumes. Sathosa Motors followed with losses, while Barula Resorts closed the day in the red, rounding off the list of today's top decliners. Now let's take a look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Melstacorp led the way, delivering a strong boost to the index, driven by positive sentiment in the food, beverage and tobacco sector. People's Insurance followed with solid gains, reflecting investor confidence in the insurance sector. Carson Cumberbatch was another key contributor, supported by healthy trading volumes. Cooperative Insurance Company helped maintain index stability, as buying interest remained strong across insurance-related counters. Finally, PGP Glass Salon also made a positive impact on the ASPI today. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the all-share price index for the day. Haley's was a major drag on the index, reflecting cautious investor sentiment in the capital goods sector. Sampath Bank also contributed to the downward pressure, while National Development Bank extended the losses with its own decline affecting overall market direction. TJ Lanka and Dipped Products also closed in the red, rounding off the list of key stocks that weighed on the market. These movements collectively led to the softer close in the broader index today. Thank you.